Well, Jaisalmer, known for its shimmering sand and majestic forts, is witnessing a paralysis of the healthcare services in the system there. The city's district hospital is a picture of negligence and apathy, with the defunct ICU turned into a dump yard. What is even more shocking is that ventilator machines from the Prime Minister's CARES Fund are lying junked while patients are battling for life in that. Mosmi Singh gets us this ground report.
The Rajasthan government has been engaged in showcasing how well it has managed the pandemic. However, a reality check on ground zero exposes the truth.
If you want to know about the health services of any district, you must visit the district hospital. And we are at Jaisalmer's Jawahir Hospital that actually caters to an area of 38,000 square kilometers, more than 400 villages and a population of 8 lakh. How does the hospital, fare as far as the COVID facilities are concerned? We'll go and check out.
Jawahar Hospital is supposedly the only lifeline for this parched region. Almost the size of Haryana, it boasts of a 4-bedded intensive care unit, 138 oxygen beds and a dedicated COVID ward. Patients travel from far-flung rural areas hoping they will be treated.
Shocking pictures from the COVID ward at the Jaisalmer Hospital. What is shocking is not the empty beds. Shocking is the gross misuse of equipment when they're needed the most. You can see that these are ventilators that are actually full of dust. Right here you can see PM Care Fund. Given from the PM Care Fund, Jaisalmer received about almost 17 ventilators.
Jaisalmer received 13 ventilators from the PM CARES Fund. The attendants of patients at the ward say they have never seen the machines in use. Even as patient Raja Ram gestures a no with his hand.
वेंटिलेटर नहीं लगा हुआ किसी का भी जी नहीं
ऐसी पड़ी हुई है मशीन
ये मशीन अब लोग जान नहीं ऐसी पड़ी है
जब ये मशीनें लगी आप लोग की और
नहीं लगाई
किसी भी पेशेंट को लगाई
ना किसी को नहीं लगाई मैंने देखी नहीं मैं यहीं था 5 दिन से यहीं हूँ हाँ देखी नहीं लगाई नहीं किसी ने
With ventilators not being out to use, Jaisalmer Hospital has seen a high referral rate, with patients being sent hundreds of miles away to Jodhpur and Bikaner, many giving up the fight on the way. There were reports that the wires of the ventilator machines had been nibbled by rats.
कुछ वेंटिलेटर में थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम आई थी कि वो नहीं हो रहे थे, तो हमने उसके लिए टेक्नीशियंस को बुला लिया है, तो वो उसको रिपेयर करके अभी टेक्नीशियन को कॉल कर लिया है, वो उसको थोड़ा जो कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो वो उसको शुरू कर देंगे हम उसको। ये शायद करीब 6-7 महीने हो गए होंगे। उस समय मैं पीएमओ था, उस समय ये आए थे, उससे पहले भी आगे थे, पर इस्तेमाल जैसे पिछली बार पीक थी तो हमारे वेंटिलेटर्स जो थे उसको हमने चलाया था।
If the state of the COVID ward was not enough proof of the callousness of the authorities, we reached the ICU.
This is the critical care unit. The condition, you can see that all the machines are shut at a point, at a time when the pandemic is at its peak. The ventilator machines, the oxygen cylinders are simply being junked here.
Instead of ventilators and concentrators, we found hammers and spades at work. While the country was waging a war against the pandemic, this ICU at Jaisalmer is still just a dump yard.
This is not a construction site. This is the critical care unit of the Jaisalmer Hospital. At a time when the critical care unit is needed the most. You can see that what is the state over here, and if you thought that oxygen concentrators are in huge demand, then perhaps the Jaisalmer hospital authorities don't really think so. In fact, it doesn't seem that they're interested in treating the patients or caring for the equipment that is there in the hospital.
ये काम आज दोपहर को बोला गया था,
हाँ।
तो अभी लगे हुए है और
क्या बना रहे हैं आप यहाँ?
बस एक एक्स्ट्रा बेड के लिए बना रहे हैं ICU।
हाँ।
3 बने हुए हैं, तो एक एक्स्ट्रा और बन जाएगा, तो आज वैसे भी कंप्लीट हो जाएगा शाम तक।
It has been nearly 1.5 years into the COVID fight, but work started the day our camera reached the ICU. Authorities were ready with all forms of excuses.
पुराना ICU में 3 बेड हैं, उनको हमने रिपेयरिंग करके उसको भी हम 2-4 दिनों के अंदर शुरू कर देंगे। मसला उठाया था और उसको शुरू करने की कवायद भी थी, पर ये कोरोना में हमने इधर जो ICU शुरू कर दिया था, इधर वार्ड में, कॉटेज वार्ड में, और फर्स्ट हॉल और सेकंड हॉल हमने वेंटिलेटर इधर लगा दिए थे।
The local MLA's son claims the ICU could not start due to the shortage of staff and lack of specialists.
पूर्व में भी जैसलमेर के अंदर स्टाफ की कमी होने के कारण ICU स्टार्ट नहीं कर पाए थे, क्योंकि ICU स्टार्ट करने के लिए, जैसे कि हम सभी जानते हैं, एनेस्थेटिक इंटेंसिविस्ट की ज़रूरत होती है। पूर्व में वो नहीं होने के कारण स्टार्ट नहीं हो पाया था। उसके बाद स्टाफ आने के कारण, हॉस्पिटल में ज़्यादा लोड होने के कारण और ऑक्सीजन आउटपुट प्रॉपर नहीं होने के कारण स्टार्ट नहीं कर पाए।
Higher officials give even more bizarre excuses.
ICU में जो सेटअप था उसको हमने एक कॉटेज वार्ड में शिफ्ट किया था। कॉटेज वार्ड में शिफ्ट करने का पर्पस ये था कि ICU was located in between the medicine ward and the gynae ward. So we had a setup of 12 ventilators, but at any point of time not more than 4 to 5 ventilators were used.
The DM forgot that this is not the year 2020. It's almost been a year of death, devastation and lockdown. If the first or the second wave could not wake up the system, then what would?
These pictures are an eye-opener and expose a failed and crippled healthcare system of Rajasthan. It exposes a government that is making a mockery of the strife and struggle of the people of the state. It's time that the Rajasthan government wakes up before it's too late. With video journalist Satya Rotre, this is Mosmi Singh inside the CCU ward at Jaisalmer Hospital for India Today.